I know the previous and associate myself with the previous protocols. Your Excellency, before I'm here to welcome you. I'm here to introduce my colleagues, ministers, and hereafter, Your Excellency, I will make a brief statement. I will not talk for long. Most of the things I had hoped to have raised have been raised by the previous speakers. But before I proceed, let's thank God for being here. Mapoluba, Mapol Yesu Jowa, Mapole Manu Kitu, Mapole Kewa, Amir Bawadom Chima Pinadito Matike Lokani Kim. Ono Kim Mabema. Mando mara wi ma ensi wan neni ko mendo ching pal dito bo president Museveni umeba uwa ana ye Oryem ba ana ye Oryem endo Okello Sino may hindi masyalong sa nila mawawa. Kaya dito ito pulukan yan eh. Sinuara kami ito yung lapanay ng Bukora. Ikilum. Ito ako ikilum na ito at ako ikilum kanya. Nanti lahan ulung niya. At ikan ki Nuora Mawala fi yung masyalong igamete, masyalong ministers. Andel ko po, hindi niyo ka din, ikwe magit matiyeni. Muko, alego ni yung manero protocol, ana yung team minister, fono fe, ana yung chief protocol, Uganda. Iparo, kada, yung protocol, wano, yung year. Limana mil ko ki ngamu ya pati to ti ke kanye ni. Gibu ke ruan kan. Gibu pa na pa para uchimo. Ni beta ke la ni Uganda. Majalo minister. La mera honorable Dr. Lillian Aber. Minister of State for Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees of the Prime Minister. Thank you, Bakanyi. Stand up for recognition, please. We go and talk about the community. We have the opportunity to recognize the whole body of Bua, handsome government chief whip. May I recognize this one is extremely important. Honorable here will make Obaloke, will make Minister for Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees in the office of Prime Minister. Will make is our senior minister for Northern Uganda here. We have Honorable Musa Echueru, Minister of State for Works. I'm liable to inform that Minister Mabedi, Minister Chuelu, Yabelo, Minister Me Bakobe Leoni, Minister of the State, Minister of the State for Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees. If you are with the office a part of beach, well, Commander coming. We have my own dear sister here, Honorable Anita Evelyn Kajik, Minister of State for Investment and the Minister of Finance. I have my young brother, Honorable Ogwang Peter, Minister of State for Education and Sports. Ogwang Peter took over my office and was in that office many years ago. in 2001, 2004. Who others came after also? I think who was there also. They're doing a good job. Uganda is hosting what? AFCON. We have our own young brother and the new minister, Honorable Dr. Omona Kenneth, Minister of Northern Uganda. They're not going to I'm Minister of Northern Uganda. Watiki Minister Helen Adoa, Minister of State for Fisheries. Watiki na Mimama Tutokanye Nimene, Honorable Okello Beatrice Acholi. Watiki Honorable Minister Manyen, Honorable, we have our new minister here, Honorable Wamara Nambodwe Florence, Minister of State. Watiki Honorable Batoro. Then we have our own, the one and only. The one and only. Where's the orange shirt? I cannot see it here. The one and only Balam. We should forgive Balam. Balam has fully not familiarized himself for being a minister, so. slowly, will find his way to being a minister. But let him stay there because he's a youth. Your Excellency, we have also amongst us sincere apologies. I want another senior minister from Uganda, Honorable Robert Mao, Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs. My apologies. Those in protocol in future should put more in front because when it's there, it cannot be seen. But we're happy. Your Excellency, we are happy to have you here. Once again, we're happy to see you in Kitgum. Your presence in Kitgum means a lot. The people of Kitgum is trying to send a strong message for how you love the people of Kitgum, how you love the people of Northern Uganda, and we also see that they love you. Excellency, I remember about 2 years ago, soon after you appointed Minister Nyua, you made some statement in which you said that as a president you have a capacity to appoint as many ministers as the Constitution allows and as many ministers as you want from a particular area. So the appointment of Minister Nyua is within your prerogative. And I listened to that statement and I said, the president is so powerful. Little did I know that the president is exceptionally powerful. So when I was flying the other day to Namibia, when the changes in the changes in the cabinet took place, I did not hear it, I did not know about it. I landed in Namibia late at night, I went to bed. I saw a message from my wife, she rang me about, I think she rang me about 23 times when I was flying. And in the morning I rang immediately, I thought there was some disaster. And I said, no, You have survived. As a reform, you have survived. I said, why didn't you give me the 3 times then? You have not survived. He said, Munage, these things are not for sure. Things going to survive. But what's important is yesterday, when she told me that you had brought in my own sister, Lillian Aber, as a minister. I was more than jubilated. I was excited that she had been appointed a minister. She is capable of being a minister. And I was thinking, how God has gifted the people of Italy to have 3 ministers in the same period. This is a record by the sense of imaginations. Not only that, we have Okello, our neighbor here, we have Acholi, our neighbor here, we have Mao, who came as a minister. So you've been very kind to us as Northerners. You've given us all these ministries. I want to thank you very much for leading Aber, which we thank God for leading Aber, as God is the one who appoints leaders. Work hard counts, and in the end, God is the one who elects leaders. I want to wish Leading Aber all the very best in her office as a new minister, and she can be assured that the beauty of her job is that she has got Mao there to support her, she's got Hillary to support her, she's got Acholi to support her, she's got me to support her, she's got Minister to support her. So we will give her all the necessary support to ensure that she receives a soft landing in her office and responsibility as a minister. We want to thank you, Excellency. We want to thank you really for giving her this responsibility, and want you to be patient. Be very patient with her as she takes over her job. The job of minister is not easy. There are many obstacles along the way, but what is important is giving her the opportunity to make those mistakes, overcome them, and eventually she will be able to run her office without any problems. So Paul that you will be in a pair, Paul that you experience, on the street of Lidobo. Very appointed in a pair, Machalo, Minister Manekwa, who want to keep to go a few minutes on that day for them. Can you look at anything in minutes of Machalo? I did. Actually,